in Colorado, it seems like the hailstorms are getting more fast and more furious. The hailstones are huge. That's why I'm here at Elite Hail Systems. I'm here with the general sales manager and co-owner, Rob Nelson. So tell me a little bit about how Elite Hail Systems got established, how you got started here.
Well, from living here for so long, a lot of the people would realize that there's a lot of tents that pop up during hail season.
Yeah.
You get the tents next to the buildings, all these temporary places that are coming in. We saw a need to have a brick and mortar location that actually was here all year round. And if there was a problem after the storm, later on after the car was fixed, if they had a problem, there was someone here that actually could take care of them instead of trying to run down someone from another state.
Yeah, you know you can count on them. You're always here.
Always.
Yeah, it's just a huge complex when I pulled in. You have a lot of people counting on you.
We do. I think we're up over 40-some employees right now and growing every day.
That is awesome. So tell us a little bit about the process. You know, when people get hail damage, what do they need to do?
So they can do one or two things. They can contact their insurance company if they want, which a lot of people tend to do, or they can just let us handle the whole process. It's actually a little easier for us to handle the whole process. We're kind of known as being the concierge of the business. We handle it from start to finish. We'll contact the insurance company. We'll get the car in here. We'll make a claim on their behalf, and then we just start the process. It actually goes a little quicker that way when we're handling it all.
And a lot less headache for me, the consumer, right? I mean,
Absolutely.
I'd much rather turn it over to you.
Absolutely.
And let you handle it.
So painless dent repair is PDR, which means that we're not really having to do any body work at all. No paint, no clear coating. We're actually going down below those dents. We're massaging those dents back into place from underneath. So in the case of what we have to do to the cars, we have to drop the headliner down. We have to get down below the roof.
So you've taken the hood off,
So in this case, we've taken the hood off this particular one, and we're pushing on the dents below them, hitting every individual dent individually one at a time to get them back up to where they're supposed to be.
That's awesome. So when you do it that way, you're not sacrificing the integrity of the paint job.
Absolutely, right? Absolutely. In fact, we don't report to Carfax either. The insurance company may, but it's better to keep the original parts, the original paint, and the original clear coat. It's a lot better for the car. So we always choose to do what's best for the car.
So you described what PDR is, but what if people need more than that?
Well, that happens a lot, and we are a full-service body shop as well. I mean, 90-some% of our business is PDR, but in some cases, the insurance company will look at say, a hood that has way too many dents, and they'll just say, hey, we're not going to pay someone to push all those dents when I can buy that hood for $300-400 and have it painted. Right. So in that case, we have to be able to paint them as well. So I do have, 5 or 6 or 7 guys that are doing that full-time as well.
Okay. When it comes to the insurance companies, does it always make sense to file a claim to get your car fixed?
100%. You always want to do it. The last thing you want to do is hold off. And why you do that, why you don't want to do that is because this storm may be fixable, but the next one, if it gets too much, then it may not be fixable. And the last thing you want to do in Colorado is get your car totaled, because you won't make out in the end.
Now I'm here with co-owner and CEO Robbie Searfoss. So Robbie, why should people choose Elite Hail Systems as opposed to other shops out there?
So we're one of the few shops that actually cover the rental, and will also cover the deductible up to $1,000. And with the rental, that is if the insurance doesn't already cover it for them.
That's awesome. So up to $1,000 on the deductible. That's huge. And we all have to have something to drive, drive around while the car is here.
Right.
So if our insurance doesn't cover that, you cover it for us. You get us a rental.
We do. Yes, ma'am.
That is fantastic. Now, when I pulled up, I thought, wow, this is a huge lot. So you don't want people to wait. You wanted them to be able to drop their cars off right away, right?
We do. There's a no-wait policy here. We take the cars in pretty immediately. Some people want to, drop a little bit further down the road, say next week. We don't book out, 2, 3, 4 months down the road, and I think that's one of the things my partner expanded on before. We don't want you to wait, because we don't want you to get hit by another hailstone.
Exactly.
And being here in Colorado, there's a really good chance you'll get hit again. And that's why we've gone to leaps and bounds to grow in the last few years and get a second building and get an extra fenced-in lot for protection, so we can take in the cars immediately, and the customers don't have to wait.
Yeah. Anything else you want to share with our viewers about your team, about the environment here?
We like to say we're a big family here, and we all really care about each other, and we every single person here, I'm proud to say, and I brag about it, they all care about every car that comes in here. Whether it's, the girls up front bringing the cars in, or whether it's the last guy touched them, washing them as they go out. Everybody's looking to QC the cars and quality control and make sure that the car is going back to the customer the best it possibly can. And that's one of the things I think that makes us a special shop.
Yeah, and I have to say, when I walked in, I was impressed by a nice, cool waiting room, very comfortable, just very relaxing and inviting. And when you drive your car away, it's going to look beautiful because you come here to Elite Hail Systems. And Elite Hail Systems will file your claim. They'll take care of negotiations with your insurance company. They pay your deductible up to $1,000. And also for a rental car, so you can get around while they repair your vehicle, it will also get you back to full book value without spending a dime. So make the process super easy. They also, your premiums do not go up as a result, just as if that hailstorm had never hit your car. Now, the number to call is 303-284-8651. You can also find them online at elitehailsystems.com.